Welcome to today's video. In this episode, we're going to explore the best smartphones under 20,000 PKR in Pakistan. Whether you're looking for a great camera, long-lasting battery, or solid performance on a budget, we've got you covered. So, if you're planning to upgrade your phone without breaking the bank, stay tuned till the end as we review the top options that offer the best value for your money. How's that for a start? Some of the best smartphones under PKR 20,000 in Pakistan for 2024 include 1. Infinix Hot 30 Play offers a big display, decent camera, and long battery life. 2. Techno Spark 10, known for a smooth display, decent performance, and good battery backup. 3. Realme C25Y provides a good camera setup and reliable performance for budget users. 4. Samsung Galaxy A03's great brand value with solid build quality and battery life. 5. Xiaomi Redmi 12C features a good display and efficient performance. 1. Infinix Hot 30 Play. The Infinix Hot 30 Play offers a large 6.82-inch display and a 6,000 mAh battery, making it great for users who prioritize long-lasting battery life and entertainment. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G37 processor with 4 GB of RAM, it handles everyday tasks smoothly but is less suitable for heavy gaming. The 8-megapixel rear camera and 5-megapixel front camera are basic but sufficient for casual photography. The software experience is typical of Infinix's XOS 7.6, which includes bloatware but offers decent performance for the price. 2. Techno Spark 10. The Techno Spark 10 stands out with a 6.6-inch HD display and a large 5,000 mAh battery. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G25 processor, it's capable of handling light multitasking and offers solid battery life. The 50-megapixel rear camera is quite impressive for this price segment, allowing for detailed shots in good lighting conditions, while the 8-megapixel front camera is decent for selfies. With iOS 7.6 based on Android, Techno Spark 10 provides a smooth experience with some additional customization options. 3. Realme C25Y. The Realme C25Y features a 6.5-inch display and a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, offering excellent battery life. Powered by the Unisoc T610 chipset and 4 GB of RAM, this phone handles day-to-day tasks without much hassle, but it's not ideal for gaming. Its 50-megapixel main camera offers surprisingly good photography for this price range, especially in well-lit conditions. The software is based on Realme UI, which is intuitive and relatively bloat-free, making the user experience smooth and responsive. 4. Samsung Galaxy A03's. The Samsung Galaxy A03's is a reliable budget option with a 6.5-inch PLS TFT display. It comes with a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset and 3 GB of RAM, which is sufficient for basic tasks but not for gaming or heavy multitasking. Its triple camera setup, 13-megapixel main, 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth sensor is modest but functional for everyday photography. The 5,000 mAh battery ensures that the phone can easily last a full day. The One UI software experience is clean and offers a good user interface compared to others in this range. 5. Xiaomi Redmi 12C. The Redmi 12C sports a 6.52-inch HD display and is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, making it slightly better than its competitors in terms of performance. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, which is expandable via microSD. The 50-megapixel main camera offers decent photo quality in well-lit environments, while the 5-megapixel front camera is adequate for selfies. The 5,000 mAh battery provides a full day of usage, and Xiaomi's MIUI UE13 offers a smooth experience, though it comes with some pre-installed apps. Conclusion: each of these smartphones offers a solid experience within the PKR 20,000 budget, balancing decent performance, good battery life, and adequate cameras. If you prioritize camera quality, the Techno Spark 10 and Realme C25Y are great options, while the Redmi 12C offers the best performance. For brand value and reliable software, the Samsung Galaxy A03's is a solid choice, and if you need long battery life, Infinix Hot 30 Play is worth considering. Among the phones listed, the Xiaomi Redmi 12C stands out as the best option. It offers the most balanced performance in terms of processing power with the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, a 50MP main camera, and a 5,000 mAh battery, making it ideal for users who want a bit more power and camera quality in their daily usage. It also has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB expandable storage, providing good value for money. Overall, it's a solid performer in this price range.